Premoday Khaka was a senior Delhi bureaucrat deployed in Women's and Child Development Department entrusted with their safety and well-being. If what he allegedly did to his friend's daughter wasn't abominable enough, Times Now has accessed more skeletons from his closet. It seems the officer handpicked by Delhi Minister Kailash Gehlot as officer on special duty in 2022 could have been a habitual offender. Now, Times Now has accessed clinching documents that reveal not one or two, but there were 4 cases of sexual harassment filed against him in 2019. Every time the internal committees gave him a clean chit. But before we tell you the details of the documents, here one of the complainants narrate what they had to go through.
उनका हमारे कपड़ों पर टिप्पणी करना, ज़बरदस्ती ऑफिस में रोकने के लिए बाध्य करना, कार्यस्थल पर जो हमारा जो वर्क टाइम था 10 to 5 उसके बाद फोर्स करना रुकने के लिए, और मेरी जो सहयोगी थी, सिर्फ मुझ पर नहीं, मेरे साथ में जो मेरी सहयोगी थी उन पर भी टीका टिप्पणी करना। सेक्रेटरी को शुरुआत में ही इन्फॉर्म किया गया था कि इस तरह की घटनाएं चल रही हैं अंदर, और हमें असुरक्षा की भावना हमारे अंदर पनप गई थी, तो हमें सुरक्षा उपलब्ध कराई जाए इस तरीके की घटनाओं से, ताकि आगे किसी के साथ ना हो। लेकिन नियमित समय पर कार्रवाई नहीं हो पाई थी, और फिर हमने आगे जाके कंप्लेंट DCW किया, और IC जो थी वो शायद बाद में बनी थी। हमारी जो कंप्लेंट थी उसके काफ़ी समय बाद में IC का गठन हुआ था। DCW से भी कोई ऐसी इफेक्टिव कार्रवाई नहीं हो पाई। वहाँ पर जुवेनाइल होम में जो बच्चे होते थे वो सारे जुवेनाइल अक्यूज होते थे, उनके साथ भी पॉक्सो के केसेस को आते थे, जिनको ये दबाने के लिए हमसे प्रेशराइज करके मैनिपुलेट कराते थे रिपोर्ट्स को, और जो पॉक्सो के मैटर थे उनको हाइड करने के लिए, रिपोर्ट ना करने के लिए दबाव बनाया जाता था। कुल हमने उसका कंप्लेंट जो कंसर्न बोर्ड के मजिस्ट्रेट हैं उनको किया था, वहाँ से JJC को इनका गया था, JJC से विद इमीडिएट इफेक्ट इनका ट्रांसफर हुआ था, और इनको किसी भी बाल संरक्षण गृह में तैनाती ना दी जाने की अनुशंसा की गई थी हाईकोर्ट की तरफ से। लेकिन फिर भी इनको बाद में डिपार्टमेंट ने आगे जो भी प्रमोशन दिया है वो सब विभाग के अंतर्गत आता है।
So this lady is one of the 4 complainants who dared to raise her voice. The first complaint of sexual harassment was filed against Premoday Khaka in May 2019, but he was cleared of the charge by the internal committee, saying that the allegations couldn't be proved. The complainant approached the High Court, and the next hearing is scheduled to take place in September. The second complaint was filed in March 2019. It was also quashed by the internal committee of the Delhi Women and Child Development Department, citing no evidence. In another complaint, the internal panel said that the allegation against Khaka hadn't been proven. Another complaint against Khaka was rejected by the Vigilance Branch in the Delhi Department, Women and Child Department, as fake. Now, what's interesting is that despite 2 cases of sexual harassment pending against Premoday Khaka in court, he was handpicked by Delhi Minister Kailash Gehlot to be his OSD in March 2022. He continued in the position till March this year. The question now is, who was trying to shield Premoday Khaka? Well, one of the complainants who approached the High Court detailed in her petition that there was an attempt to protect Khaka, and even the Delhi Women's Panel's chief did not pursue the case diligently as per law. The president of DCW is listed as the 6th respondent in the case. The complainant says the DCW issued 6 emails to a fictitious ID which has nothing to do with her email ID. The biggest question that remains is, who was shielding Premoday Khaka? There were 4 complaints of sexual harassment against this man who was handpicked by a minister of the Delhi government to be his OSD in the Women and Child Department.